Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated to the nation Phase 1 of the Mahakal Lok project in the Mahakaleshwar temple in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh yesterday. President Draupadi Murmu begins her maiden two-day visit to Tripura today. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said that India will prioritize strengthening multilateral institutions during its year-long presidency of the G20 group of developed and developing nations. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, or AIIMS, New Delhi is developing an artificial intelligence-enabled device named Colposcope for the screening of cervical cancer in women. Registration for the recruitment in the Agniveer Vayu Intake 2023 batch will open for male and female candidates in the first week of November this year.